Do you actually know how mangoes are supposed to taste? Because I did not until this. I just got these mangoes delivered from Lushful, fresh from the farm to my doorstep. They actually deliver organic fruits and vegetables within 16 hours of harvest, which is why they feel so fresh. I am not even exaggerating. I could smell these mangoes before opening the bag. And that's the difference with organic. No chemicals, no artificial ripening, just naturally grown produce. When you switch to organic, you're not just eating cleaner, you're also getting better taste, better quality, and food that's closer to how it's actually meant to be. Look at this, perfectly ripe, super juicy, and not mushy at all, especially in this heat. That's honestly rare. So I thought, let's not waste mangoes like this. Let's turn them into something even better. I made a simple kulfi base, milk, chopped dry fruits, and kulfi powder. Let it simmer till thick and creamy. But instead of pouring it into molds, I poured it straight into the mango. And honestly, I feel like the mangoes made all the difference here. When your ingredients are this good, you don't have to do much. And let it freeze for a few hours or overnight, and then you will see the magic. Creamy kulfi with a real mango in every bite. This combination is just different. You should definitely try Lushful. They have a great variety of organic fruits and vegetables. If you love mangoes that actually taste like mangoes, save this and try it, and maybe try switching to better ones.